Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. The question is, ABCD is a rectangle. So, ABCD is a rectangle, A, B, C and D. P, Q and R are the midpoint of BC, CD and DA. So, BC, CD and DA. P, Q and R. The point S lies on the line QR in such a way, so there's a line QR, and the point S lies in such a way that SR is to QS is 1:3. So this would be closer to R, so this is S. The ratio of the triangle APS and the rectangle ABCD is, so the triangle APS so let me just shade it or outline the border of APS so we know like what is the region. So this is APS. Now area of triangle APB is equal to half into half area ABCD. Therefore, area of ABCD by 4. Area triangle POC is equal to area of ABCD by 8, and area triangle RQD is equal to area ABCD by 8. This is PQC. So, area triangle PQS is equal to 3/4 into 1/4 area ABCD, which is equal to 3 into area ABCD by 16. Since SR is to QS is equal to 1:3. So now area triangle ARS is equal to 1/4 into 1/8 area ABCD, which is area ABCD by 32. Therefore, area triangle APS is equal to area ABCD minus 1/4 plus 1/32 plus 1/8 plus 1/16 plus 1/18 area ABCD, that is area ABCD into 9/32. Therefore, the ratio of the triangle APS and the rectangle ABCD is equal to 9/32, which is 36/128. Option A.